Alright, so this is our next question from XAT23. You may pause the video and give it a try and resume the video for the solution. Alright, so separately, Jack and Srishti invested the same amount of money in a stock market. Jack's invested amount kept getting reduced by 50% every month. Shrishti's investment also reduced every month, but in an arithmetic progression with a common difference of rupees 15,000. They both withdrew their respective amounts at the end of the 6th month. They observed that if they had withdrawn their respective amounts at the end of the 4th month, the ratio of their amounts would have been the same as the ratio after the 6th month. What amount of money was invested by Jack in the stock market? Basically, both of them. What was the amount invested in the stock market in the beginning? Okay. So let's observe something about Jack. Jack's investment is getting reduced by 50% every month. Now, guys, 50% is basically half. So basically, Jack's money is getting, or it's becoming half every month. So if the initial money was, let's say, X, it gets multiplied by half, half 6 times. So basically, after 6 months, it becomes X into 1 upon 2 raised to 6. Okay, now this is a fraction, very irritating. So what we can do is 2 raised to 6 is nothing but 64, right? So to make things easier, let's suppose the initial investment was not X but 64X. Alright, so Jack and Srishti, they are both investing 64X. Alright, now let's understand a scenario after 4 months. After 4 months, Jack's share would become 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 4 times. That's basically 1 by 16th. So after 4 months, Jack's share would be 64x into 1 by 16, that's 4x. And Srishti's share would be 64x minus 15,000 every month and for 4 months. So now Srishti's investment is 64x minus 15,000 4 times, it is 60,000, right? Similarly, after 6 months, if you observe, Jack's share would have been 4x into half, that is x. And Shrishti's share would further reduce by 64x minus 15,000 and 15,000 twice. That's 90,000. The question says the ratio of 4x to 64x minus 60,000 is same as the ratio of x with 64x minus 90,000. Essentially, the ratio of these two, 4x upon x, would be same as the ratio of 64x minus 60,000 upon 64x minus 90,000. So we can make an equation out of this. 4x upon x is equal to 64x minus 60,000 divided by 64x minus 90,000. Okay, remember guys, we are solving this question not for x but 64x. Our answer to the question will be 64x. So let's call the 64x here as a. Now on the left hand side, x gets cancelled. We have 4 is equal to a minus 60,000 upon a minus 90,000. Okay, cross multiplying, we will get 4a minus 4 into 90 is 3,60,000 is a minus 60,000. A on that side, 360 on the right hand side. We have 3a is 3 lakh or a as 1 lakh. And that's the answer to our question. What was the amount of money invested by Jack or Srishti? In the beginning, the answer is option A, that is 1 lakh rupees.